Hey friends, today I am using the October Chalk Couture Club Couture called Do Not Give Up. See how funny it is? It's like a donut. How cute is that? So I'm also doing it on our super cute board and base, which is priced right at only $7.99. The Club Couture transfer is $14.99. So currently what I'm doing is I cut up all the transfer pieces, and I wrote on the back what each piece is, because our silkscreen adhesive back reusable transfers can be reused over and over and over again. So we want to notate the correct side of the carrier sheet. Right now, I placed the first transfer down, and I was showing that there are little triangles at the top, and that's to help you line up the pieces of the transfer because it is a layering transfer. I used fresh linen chalk paste, and right now I'm just using my heat tool to go ahead and make sure that that layer is completely dry before I go ahead and layer the next one on. Also, I made a mess, so I cleaned it up with water. That's the cool part about our chalk paste. It comes completely clear with water. How fun is that? So now I'm using those little triangle registration marks, and I am using the Cherry Blossom chalk paste, stirring that chalk paste up to a nice yogurt-like consistency, and applying it all over the silkscreen area with a nice thin coat of chalk paste. Once I'm done, I peeled and revealed. How cool is that? So I'm just drying once again that next layer. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to use our Current Jam and Couture Teal Chalk Paste to go ahead and add the sprinkles. Now, if you have been seeing me use that towel, that's because I'm fuzzing the transfer, because the transfer is crazy sticky. I don't want to peel up the bottom layer of the chalk pastes underneath, so I just do what we call fuzzing up the transfer. So right now I use the Couture Teal on all the little line pieces of the jimmies or the sprinkles. Then I use the Current Jam on all the little hearts. And now on all the little dots, all I'm doing is adding white chalk paste over to them. Now time to peel and reveal. Look how cute that is. I want to eat that donut, don't you? So the next part we're going to put on here is going to be our little phrase, do not give up, or do not give up. Now, as you'll see, it is much longer than the board and base. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to manipulate the transfer and only put the chalk paste on the pieces that I want. I used white chalk paste there. I'm coming in, I'm drying the board again with the heat tool. And what I noticed was that it was very hot. You want to make sure that your board cools down before you go on and put the next layer on. So now I'm going ahead and I'm doing give up. Made sure there was no bumps in my silkscreen area, peeling it up, and there's my project. It's super cute. Now go ahead and I am going to dry it and put it back in the base. If you love this item, please grab it in my online store featured below. Thank you. Bye.